next edition of Leadership Lessons from the High Seas. Today I want to talk about a very interesting topic. Leadership and discipline. Now, when I was working on ships, I joined as a cadet and eventually worked through the ranks and became a captain. I actually developed a very, very healthy respect for authority and for discipline. As you all know, on ships we had a very strict command and control structure, very hierarchical setup, and that served multiple purposes, right? That command and control structure actually provided a lot of clarity in terms of roles and responsibilities, who has to do what. It was fairly well documented and abided, and that sometimes is missing if you look in any corporate jobs. Sometimes we are not very clear of our roles or responsibilities. But most importantly, right, that authority or the discipline actually helped us to run our ships in a safe and smooth manner, right? Because when you are in the middle of the ocean, you are actually talking about lives of people at stake, right? You're talking about the cargo and the ship as an asset worth millions of dollars. So as a captain, I was responsible for not just people's life, but also the asset, which was a ship and its cargo, right? So that authority, that discipline actually helped us maintain safe and smooth operations, right? And so that is where I feel that discipline is an important attribute towards leadership. And when I'm talking about discipline, I'm not just talking about sort of rules and regulations. It's a matter of belief. It's a matter of faith, and that belief could be in rules, regulations, system, processes which you follow and comply with, or it could be just a belief in what you think is the right thing to do for you as a leader, right? So that is what discipline is about. And discipline should not be confused with disciplining, right? So discipline is more about self-discipline as a leader, right? How do you set high standards for yourself? How do you live up to and maintain those high standards? How do you role model for your teams the type of behavior you want them to display, right? That is what discipline is all about, right? And as we all know, right, discipline is one of the keys to success, right? Personal discipline, right? When you start something new, you need to make sure you sustain it, and you have the discipline to do it on a day in, day out basis, on a consistent and a continuous manner, right? So that's where I feel that as a leader, it is very important for all of us to be disciplined in the type of behaviors and habits we want our teams to display, right? So for example, if you want your teams to come on time and leave on time, as a leader, you should be disciplined enough to come on time and leave on time. Just a simple example, right? And that's where I think self-discipline comes in the picture, right? So here's a question for all of you, right? Go back and reflect. What are the 3 things you do on a daily basis, on a consistent and continuous basis, where you show discipline in your day-to-day life? I hope you liked the session. Thank you so much for watching. And stay tuned for watching the next edition of Leadership Lessons from the High Seas. Thank you.